Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
Happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get to the video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby. That
Weekly heat.
weekly heat. So these are
Yes,
the hottest shoes that are coming out from June 8th to June 14th. I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So starting hot and heavy, we do have a collaboration. This is the Jordan 1 Low 85 Quad 54. So if you don't know or know, Quad 54 is a French basketball tournament and is known for its street ball and music. And this year will be the 22nd annual event. It does take place in Paris, France, and will be on June 5th through the June 6th of 2025. They are technically releasing 4 pairs. However, we'll be just going over one that we're releasing. Also, along with this, the Jordan Flight Court, the Jordan Luca 77, and the Jordan Luca 4. In this video, we'll just be going over the Jordan 1 Low 85 because I do believe that's the hottest shoe out of this bunch. So these will be retailing at a price point of $160, and they will be releasing on Nike Sneakers app. This predominantly shoe features technically like a black and yellow. My brother may like these. I don't know, given that black and yellow effect. What I really love about this shoe is if we look at that stitching, we do see that stitching outline in yellow. It just makes this shoe pop. And they did this shoe, blended very well, in my opinion. The predominantly of the shoe upper is that yellow. It does have that black around the toe box and the heel. Looking at the midsole, we do see it's kind of split. Predominantly of the midsole is black. However, we do see that yellow on the outer sole, which I do think is a nice touch. Moving around to the toe box, we do see that yellow on the toe box. It does have some special branding on the toe. We do see that Quad 54 instead of that Air Jordan logo at the top. And we also see the insole, we do see that double branding with Jordan Jumpman on the inside, as well as the Quad symbol. Moving around to the back of the shoe, we do see that nice yellow popping out. They just really did an excellent job of this shoe. On the left outer of the shoe, on the back, we do see that Quad 54 symbol. Overall, this is just a clean, nice shoe for the tournament, and I really think they did an excellent job of this. It does feature a special hang tag, and I will be rocking these. So what about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
I'll be rocking those as well. I'm really liking that. They look like they put some detail in this shoe and put some thought behind that. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I definitely be rocking those, my brother.
So what we got next, my brother?
So on June the 14th, we do have that Air Jordan 14, the Ferrari. Price point for those are going for $215. They will be available on Nike.com. I'm really liking this shoe, and the reason why I'm liking this shoe because I like the color. I like that varsity red suede. Right. The only concern I am if it's raining, then the suede just going to pieces. Right. I am loving that rich varsity red suede. I'm liking what they did with the midsole, that carbon fiber teeth, right? This is a nice, clean, sharp shoe, right? I really liking what Jordan Brand did with this shoe. I'm liking how that yellow, right? It just reminds you of that Ferrari itself, right? But this is a nice, clean shoe. I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well. This is the classic OG colorway that hasn't been retroed in a while. And then bringing it back here for 2025. I do think this is a nice shoe. I think they did a good job with the shoes. But let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the last shoe of the week. On June 18th, we do have a Jordan 1 Low OG. This is a women's pair of shoes, and I don't know if this is a collaboration or what, but this shoe is only being released at Nordstrom, which I do think is surprising. And this pair is called the Wash Teal. It does feature a price point of $140, and predominantly the shoe is basically all teal, which I'm not really feeling, to be honest with you, but I do think it has some nice suede materials on there. And what I do like about the shoe is it does have a rugged suede Nike swoosh on the side. I really like that hit. I do like the laces in there, but I just don't like the midsole. I wish they would have probably made that midsole white. I would have thought it would have gave this shoe a little bit more balance. And as well as we're looking at the outsole, it does feature a clear outsole, which I don't really think goes well with this shoe. So therefore, I will be dropping these. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, I think we hitting on all cylinders today. I'll be dropping them as well. I'll be dropping them as well. I don't see where Jordan Brand was going with this shoe. I get it. It's a female shoe and everything. I get it. I just don't understand where they were going with this shoe. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.
Peace.